Hello YouTube, and this is my video on how to take apart and put back together the Samsung Captivate and repair a couple of common issues. And as you notice, mine does not have the screen on it because I kind of broke it and had to remove it until I can get a new one. But that shouldn't affect what I'm going to do. Alright, to start, you need the first obviously take your case off. Maybe back. Here's the battery. And now, we need to remove these 4 little screws. And these 2 hidden ones down here. That one. And that one. But mine are already loosened, so I don't have to worry about that. Now, you're supposed to have these special tools, but I don't. I'm not wasting my money on special tools to take apart a phone. I'm just using this big ass screwdriver. And remove these little screws. Make sure you do not lose them, or you're screwed. Sorry about the wait. I know it's a pain in the ass. And now, once you have that done, you now need to take this back plastic casing off of the phone. And to do that, if it had a screen on it, you would stick your object to pull apart the device, in my case, just a screwdriver, and put it in between here and pry this apart. Just be careful not to break the clips. And again, you would be fucked.
Merle has it. Merle has it.
Sorry about that background noise.
Merle has it.
Please always on the shed.
Here. Having some issues.
You dry?
Yeah.
Where's she drinking this shit? Alright? I don't want you drinking that crap, alright?
Yeah.
Anyway.
And once you have all these clips off, you remove this back casing. And there you are to the inside of your phone. And now, if you're having problems with your speaker, this little screw right here, right beside the vibrator and the speaker, sometimes it could be too tight. I'm not going to demonstrate because I can't play any music because my screen's broken, but if it's too tight, just loosen it up. I'm not really sure on how loose, but just loosen it up until it starts to work. Or, in my case, I have it too loose. I mean, just a little bit. But if you need to remove the circuit board, you would need to remove the camera, like that. And if there was a screen, you would unplug its cord, the cord to the home buttons at the bottom. And that's it for the circuit board. And then you would completely loosen that screw that I was talking about. Oh, and I can't forget the headphone jack. And with that, you now have a free, oh, forgot to undo the antenna. A free circuit board. And the phone is disassembled.
How you doing, Mo?
YouTube video.
Huh?
A YouTube video. And another thing, if you're having speaker issues,
Your trumpet?
is there's like this blue tab here, and you have to take that and pull it back to tighten up that clamp right there, because sometimes you get a loose connection. And then to put it back together, just reverse what I did, and that is the tutorial on how to take apart the Samsung Captivate.